Sorry about that, folks. I'm back. Okay, I'm back, y'all. So anyway, by this, by the stopping and everything, you know. All right, I apologize for that interruption thing, you know, the interruption phone call, you know. That was my Uncle Elroy. No, not next Friday's Uncle Elroy. Just a little humor, okay. All right, all right. So, oh boy, so. It's time for me to get a haircut. I'll talk about the haircut in a minute. Okay. I hope it ain't flooded with my friends are. So anyway, by me doing this show, interruption, phone call, blah blah blah, and everything. You know. Jeez. I apologize for that for that interruption phone call though. So anyway, by me doing my show, doing it big and stuff like that, being a weatherman, you know. I mean, it's raining soft now, you know. Now it's definitely my last Facebook Live video for the day. Okay, I hope I don't have another interruption phone call, you know. So, anyway, by me doing this show, having fun with it and stuff like that, you know, and my cousin Terry giving her son a birthday party, his very first birthday, you know, first birthday, you know. That's his very first birthday, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, this is first birthday coming up in May, you know. I knew one day my cousin Terry was gonna be a mommy, you know. I knew that one day, you know. When Dominoes 7 gonna be a daddy, only God knows, you know. If I find the right one, you know. Even if it don't be the right mother for Dominoes 7 baby, you know. That mean that girl gonna move in with me, you know, in the Dominoes 7 crib, you know. So what the birds doing now that and it's raining, you know. So anyway, it's gonna rain like this tomorrow. You know. All right. All right. I wouldn't bet the farm that it won't rain tomorrow. All right. All right. Another rainy day. Well, rainy, stormy night. Rainy, stormy day. Okay. Checking on everything. Well, should I open that back door? No, I'm not gonna open that damn back door. All right. All right. As y'all looking at the rain, walk down through the rain. Walk down through the rain. All right. Well, I mean, I'm not in elementary school no more, you know. I contacted somebody named Katoya, you know, but I'm not gonna say her last name though, Okay, Katoya. I ain't gonna mention her last name because I was looking for her since 1999. She don't remember me though. She don't remember me at all. Because it been since 1997. The last time I been at Bradley School was 1997. I graduated in 97. Best year of my life, 97, 96. All the way up to 98 to 99. 1999 was the worst year. I'll tell y'all about it another time. So I'm not gonna go any further. Uh huh. I'm not gonna go any further though. Even though Casey and JoJo made my favorite song, "Tell Me It's Real," the album sound good. You know, I like practically all the songs on that 1999 album. You know. Yep. Listen to that storm. Yep. We sung a song, "Walk Down Through the Rain." Walking through the rain. You know. That we sung that song at my graduation. My mama couldn't make it. Well, which I'm kind of glad, happy about. I'm sorry to say what I'm trying to hide. Well, whatever the heck I'm trying to say. Oh my God. You know. I mean, she was sad that she couldn't make it to my graduation. I mean, ain't nothing to cry about. It ain't nothing to cry about. Honestly. You know. So anyway, some people parking their cars on a neutral ground and stuff like that. Parking restrictions is lifted. All right, this is definitely the last video. I'm not gonna be you know whatever I'm trying to say. So everything is all good around here. Yep. It, yep. If you're outside going to do your thing, be outside when you have to. If you don't gotta go nowhere, please stay your butt home. That's all you gotta do is stay your butt home. Yep, that's correct. Stay your butt home. All right.